Are you tired of seeing my AI in your chat feed? Maybe you've tried it out and decided it's just not for you, or perhaps you're just looking to tidy up your Snapchat. No worries. Today I'm going to show you how to remove my AI from Snapchat if you're subscribed to Snapchat Plus. Let's dive in. So first things first, you need to be a Snapchat Plus user to delete my AI. If you have Snapchat Plus, great. You're all set to go. If not, unfortunately, this feature won't be available to you. Snapchat Plus offers some cool perks like priority support and other exclusive features, and one of those perks is being able to remove my AI. Now, assuming you've got Snapchat Plus, here's how you can get rid of my AI. Start by opening the Snapchat app on your phone, and you'll find yourself on the main screen. To access your chats, simply tap on the chat icon at the bottom of the screen. This will bring you to a list of all your recent conversations, including my AI. Once you see my AI in the chat list, what you're going to do is press and hold on the chat. You'll see a menu pop up with a few different options. What you want to do is scroll down and tap on the chat and notification settings option. This is where you can manage settings for that particular chat. In this settings menu, you'll see an option that says Clear from Chat Feed. Tap on that, and Snapchat will ask if you're sure you want to clear my AI from your chat. Go ahead and confirm by tapping Clear. Don't forget to hit that like button, and make sure to subscribe for more helpful tips.